welcome to week 2 of testing my Cricut permanent glitter premium vinyl shimmer with the Merry Christmas tree on here. I washed it last week and it's still on here. It dried perfectly, stayed on really well, and I'm going to grab some and give this another good scrubbing. Put some hot water in there. Are so good. Second week, second, maybe third washing and scrubbing. Okay, week 2 done with the Cricut Premium Vinyl Shimmer washing test, and unfortunately I do not have a dishwasher to test it in, but I am using very hot water and a scrubber. So until next week, thank you, bye.